Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a craft haul video. I have items from Kat Scrappiness, Half Price Books, the Bubble Gum Bead Company, and a cherry on top. So let's get started. From Kat Scrappiness, I picked up this. It's called the Slim Line Layered Cityscape Die Set. And it comes with the 2 dies, and you have the outline of the city here. And then you have the detailed cityscape here. So I went ahead and cut this out for you to check it out. And it cuts out beautifully. I had to use my long plates that I use on my Cuttlebug. And I think it's awesome. So I cut it out with some glitter paper by Cricut. And I think it turned out really nice. I kind of offset it a little bit, I think, and which shows some of the white, which I like. So this will be awesome on your slimline cards. From Gina Maria, I picked up this 8-piece banner die. It's really nice, and it has the stitching detail on the side, and I cut it out to show you. I love that stitching detail that you get. It's just a pink that you can hardly see, and yellow. So that's from Gina Maria Dies. Then from the Bubble Gum Bead Company, I picked up these really cute beads. I was watching one of the YouTubers put some bling on it, and she was showing these really cute Mickey Mouse head beads. And I went to the shop that she had linked to, but they were sold out. But I did find some on the Bubble Gum Bead Company's Etsy shop, and it's really cute. I'm not even a huge Disney fan, but I thought these were adorable, and I hope to put them on some tassels that I purchased from Hobby Lobby a few weeks ago that were on clearance. I also picked up these really pretty red and white beads because they reminded me of Mickey Mouse too. So that was from the Bubble Gum Bead Company. And then from Half Price Books, I picked up this really pretty book. It's for watercoloring. I was watching Cara Mia Corner here on YouTube, and she had purchased this book at the Half Price bookstore to use for watercoloring. And I had wanted a book to practice, or wanted to practice my watercoloring. Didn't know I wanted a book, but I went to my local Half Price book, and they were able to order it for me from another store, and I still was able to get it for $5.99. But I think look at that is so pretty. And this is by Jade Gideon, and it's called Rainforest, My Island Animal, Exotic Flower, and Tropical Plant Coloring Book. She also had another book that I purchased. It's called Island Escape, and she calls it My Caribbean Coloring Book. So once again, you have some really pretty imagery here to color. They have the flip out pages that have bigger things that you can color, but it's really pretty, so I'd check it out if you like to watercolor. The paper is heavy duty. I think this will be just what I need to sit down and practice my watercoloring. I don't do that quite enough. From a cherry on top, I picked up these items by Crepe Paper, and it's from the Fresh Bouquet collection. I got the 40-piece ephemera, which is so nice. Let me show you. I got the little pieces out to kind of show you. I don't have any paper here, but the acetate pieces are so cute. And then the ephemera, it's a pretty heavy weight, and I like that. Look at that little butterfly. So that's Fresh Boutique 40-piece ephemera set, and it has 10 pieces that are acetate. And then they have thickers, but they're floral thickers, and it's 29 of these. And these are so awesome because they're already thick on foam for you to put on your projects, and you don't have to worry about using any foam to give them a little bit more dimension. So I think that was awesome. So that's my haul. I just wanted to quickly show you a few things that I purchased recently. Tell me what you think below, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. I want to thank to all my subscribers for subscribing. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye.